The door panel is screwed to the door in 3 places. The first screw is located under a cover on the inside door handle. Pull the cover forward starting from the top and remove it. Remove the screw underneath, Torx 25. The second screw is located under the switch console of the window regulator. Pull the console upwards and lift it out of the panel. Press the lock on the plug and then pull the plug out. Remove the screw underneath, Torx 25. The third screw is located at the bottom of the panel. It is freely accessible and can be unscrewed. After removing the 3 screws, pull the panel upwards and remove it from the door. Disconnecting the door electrics and the door handle. The door electrics have a central plug. Press the lock on the plug and then pull the plug out. To remove the door handle, release the lock on both sides. It is hooked. Then remove the lock/safety device and unhook the Bowden cable and the rope. When reinstalling, simply do everything in reverse. So, first attach the cable, then the Bowden cable, and finally press the lock on. Good luck with making it yourself.